Hey, so we have some really exciting news here at Real Turf Solutions. Those projects that you've been waiting on, those projects that you've been wanting to have done, we now have the ability to do that. Real Turf Solutions now offers financing for our clients. All you got to simply do is go to our website. We have a banner link on there. You click on that link and you go to that link and then you fill out some general information. That general information will then take you to a website. You'll fill out that information on that website. It will check your credit, but it's a soft check credit score. So it's not going to go in there and hit your credit. You don't have to worry about dinging your credit or any of that for this option. And then within a matter of minutes, you can get up to 25 offers on your landscape project. So that offer could be 0% interest. The offer could be a higher interest rate for a longer term. It really depends on what you want in your particular project and how you want to pay for your project. But hey, we are super excited to be able to offer this because we have clients all the time that say, hey, I want to do my project, but I have to break it into phases, or I want to do my project, but I really don't have the money to do it all at one time. And so we've listened to you, we've heard you, and so now we're able to offer some finance options. And so it's very simple. Again, all you have to do is go to our website, click on the banner at the top of our website that says financing. When you click on that website, you'll go to a page, and that page will be PCI compliant. We here at Real Turf Solutions do not do anything or handle any of your confidential or private information. You'll go right on the website, you'll put your information in, then bankers will compete for your project. If you got great credit, not a problem. You can see on there that you have the ability to get a 0% interest rate. Those of you who have a little bit more riskier credit, you may also be able to qualify for a project as well. I know that they've been qualifying projects from 500 and up on credit score, and they have different ranges, different dollar amounts, and different rates. The system will also show you what's called a rate calculator. So you can put your information in, you can put your range of your credit score in, and then it will actually give you what your payments would be. So if you already know, well, my credit score is a 700, then you can go into our website, click on that, do the drop-down menu, and right there on the site, it'll give you a rough idea about what your monthly payment for that landscape project will be. This time of the year, this time of our environment and our economy, money is cheap, cash is cheap, so let's keep your cash in your banks, and you have the ability to use this new, really cool financing option here at Real Turf Solutions. And I would say that we're probably one of the few or the only landscape contractors in Middle Georgia that are offering financing on your next project.